Hey everyone, get ready. This little math problem is about to trick you. It says the answer is 4, but is it really? Let's take a closer look and find out. So here's what most people do. They see the expression and think, easy, just go from left to right. First, they subtract 18 from 30. That gives them 12. Then they divide that by 3. And boom, you get 4. And sure enough, that matches the answer the problem gives. But hold on, is that actually correct? If we follow proper math rules, we can't just go left to right. We have to use what's called the order of operations. You might remember it as PEMDAS. That's P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division from left to right, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction, also from left to right. Let's apply that rule here. Instead of subtracting first, we're supposed to take care of division before subtraction. So we divide 18 by 3 first. That gives us 6. Then we subtract 6 from 30, and what do we get? 30 minus 6 equals 24. Wait a second, that's not 4, right? But here's where the trick comes in. Did you catch the tiny exclamation mark after the number 4? That's not just 4, it's 4 factorial. In math, a factorial means you multiply the number by every whole number less than it, all the way down to 1. So 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which equals 24. Yup, the problem wasn't wrong. It was just a clever twist. Did it fool you too? Don't worry, you're not alone. If you thought this was fun and learned something new, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe for more brain-teasing math puzzles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.